Hi there everyone, Brad Dancer here, and believe it or not, it's 2 months since procedure time and things are going great. My old hair is starting to come in here and kind of waiting any day here now for the new ones to start coming in here on the sides, but it's been a really awesome journey so far. Darren and his staff have been incredible at, again, just continuing to explain the process and how we're now at the point where those new hairs are going to start coming in and looking forward to that. But I think that's probably the biggest thing is, outside of those first few days where there's a lot of discomfort and getting through that, it's been normal life and throw a hat on and go do things. So things are going great, and now just at that waiting stage for those new hairs to come in. But really enjoying it, and thanks again to the whole team at WeGrowHairIndy.